How to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is actually go ahead and then understand that if you are an Android user, you cannot deactivate from the app. If you are an iPhone user, you can deactivate from the app. But just for the general context for everybody, I will show you a tutorial by opening up from my browser. So go to instagram.com if you're using from Safari or from Google Chrome, whatever else. Make sure to log into the account which you want to temporarily deactivate it. Then you want to make sure to tap your profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Remember that this is a browser and not an app. Once you come to your profile page over here, tap the option called edit profile in this case. And as you tap the edit profile option over here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you might find an option to actually deactivate your Instagram account here. Now just in case you don't find the option over here, what you can also do is you can just come back like this, tap the gear icon here, and then after that you can simply go to see more in account center. And once you go to see more in account center tab, you can go to option called personal details, go to account ownership and control, select deactivation or deletion, and select your Instagram account here, and then just select the option called deactivate, tap and continue, and your Instagram account will get temporarily deactivated. This way you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.